Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3.5? I don't know. I guess Vlogmas Day 4. I'm sorry that I had to end up skipping Vlogmas Day 3. It got way too hectic around here and life happened. And I look like an angel. There's a little halo. I thought I turned that kitchen light off. Oh, I turned that light off. Sorry for the mess, guys. I have not been home really today. This morning I ran to Walmart because Hobby Lobby's closed. So if you didn't see my Instagram post last night, I kind of explained why I haven't posted, why I did not post a Vlogmas Day 3. I really wanted that one to be the decorate for Christmas last minute with me video. But I couldn't find the main ornaments, like the little balls like that. And usually we have a classic Christmas color scheme. It must have been meant to be, I guess, because I've been wanting to switch it to like a black, gold, and a little bit of silver color scheme. And so you'll see here in a minute, I'll show you a sneak peek of what is going on before I put my ornaments up. But, sorry, I've been gone most of the day, so the pups are wanting to play, so you'll have to excuse it. They just love their mom. Can you say hi to the vlog? Say hi, I got my Mr. Turkey. I got my Mr. Turkey. Oh, I miss you too. Hold on. Anyways, so I'm doing something completely different with my tree this year. Sorry for the finger. I just got a new phone too. I went to one of my best friend's wedding shower today, and then straight from there, I went to Best Buy and got me a new phone. For you guys, really. I really am wanting my videos to look better. I'm not really ready to dish out the money for like a vlogging camera. I have a Canon camera, but I also don't have a really good editing software yet. So everything I've been posting and filming has been from my phone. I recently had an S7 Edge, and then I switched to the Note 8, I guess is what it's called. It's a Samsung phone as well. I really don't do iPhones. I don't have anything really necessarily against them, but I don't know. It could just be because my husband's a software engineer and it's just we don't really do Apple. No big deal though. If you have an iPhone, I mean, you have an iPhone. If you're an American, you can get what the heck you want. You know what I mean? Okay, so back to the Christmas thing. I didn't know where my ornaments were, and so this morning, first thing, when I finally woke up, I went to the store, went to Walmart. Pretty much instantly found the bulbs I wanted. Bulbs. No, sorry. The, ornaments. And then I was like, oh, I think I want to incorporate ribbon for the first time this year. And every time we buy a tree topper, like it never fits. So I got a ribbon tree topper. Eventually I want to get like one of those, like the spiky, ornaments that you just kind of shove in the top of your tree. But they didn't really have that at Walmart, and the few pieces that they had were like $3 each for these teeny tiny little sticks. And so I was like, well, I'll wait until either the after Christmas sale, or I'll wait until, I don't know, maybe Hobby Lobby would have a better deal on that. I don't know. So anyways, I thought I'd just say and explain for a minute kind of what's been going on. Again, guys, I'm so sorry. I really am upset with myself not getting a video up last night, but I had a couple videos prepared, but those were the first few videos you guys have seen. So from this point on, it's just going to be kind of probably a day in my life kind of thing, because this is the last week before Christmas, and it's going to be freaking chaotic at the salon. This is pretty much what's going on right now. We've got the bow, and I have 2 different types of ribbon. I've never done ribbon before, guys. Do not judge me if that does not look nice. I think it'll look better once I get the ornaments on. I'm going to unplug this for just a second and kind of show you. Sorry for the mess. I've not really been home today, so I am doing, though, black, gold. There's like a little bit of like a charcoal color, and then silver. Ooh, good thing these things are shatterproof. And I was way too distracted at the store. I totally didn't realize these didn't come with hooks. And so this is what my husband and I do when we forget to buy hooks. We literally tie floss on it. Yeah, classy tree with a little bit of redneck style in it, and we're really not rednecks, but there you go. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone a little bit longer, and then I will show you a few clips of me adding the ornaments. But yeah, so far this is our tree. I didn't really want red this year, but I didn't want to spend extra money on a skirt. So I kind of incorporated the red at the bow. Sorry, I'm not using my words right. I used the red in the bow to match the red in the skirt. So overall, I think it will balance out. All right, I'll get back to you guys in just a little bit.
Ho, ho, ho!
Okay guys, let's set the oven to 325 if you have a non-stick pan. If not, feel free to set it to 350. I'm just grabbing my pre-made cookie dough, and as you'll see in just a second, we use the Pillsbury Doughboy chocolate chip. Sometimes we'll use the Nestle Toll House. And here I'm just getting everything set up, cutting and taking the wrapper off. And then I will be cutting my dough like the pre-cut dough that you can buy in stores. And as I place it on the cookie sheet, you will see that it will kind of almost look like I'm making a cookie sheet because they look like they're so close together, but I do adjust them until I get it exactly how I want, and you will see here in just a second that they don't stick together. Okay, it's time to go into the oven. Okay, and as of earlier, if you remember, I mentioned the time is the secret. I always start at 10 minutes. I never ever do the full time. And that's how you get ooey gooey cookies. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy the video. I am excited to eat cookies even though it's like really late, but I think it'll help kind of keep me awake when I have to edit. And my tree is done. I didn't really want to incorporate red this year, but I needed to fill in some gaps, so that's why I did. But you know, there's always a whole nother year in just a couple weeks, and so yeah, it's pretty crazy, huh? But yeah, I didn't want to go all out for Christmas decorating. I definitely needed to get the tree up, and just a couple things in the living room and the kitchen, and I normally actually decorate our guest bathroom. If I decide to do that, I'll just post pictures like on my Instagram, so definitely keep an eye on that. My account is sharelife_CHERLIFE, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 4, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. And again, I'm so sorry about skipping yesterday. I really wanted this to be Vlogmas Day 3, and it just didn't happen. So this is pretty much coming up on Day 5, but I'm going to count it as Day 4. And then I'll probably just do a quick chat or something tomorrow on my way to work and on my lunch break, and I don't know, we'll see. I know Tuesday night is my husband's his birthday, and so we are going to watch the Star Wars movie, and maybe we can do a quick vlog in the car or something. I definitely will talk to him about that because he's not always into being on camera, but maybe he will just for you guys. So I will definitely ask and give this a thumbs up for me, so I can tell him that the thumbs up is for him showing up in a vlog. Alright guys, have a good night, and hope you guys had a great weekend, and here's to the new week. We are 8 days till Christmas, guys. Technically a week because it's midnight, but still, it's insane. Alright, we'll see you later.